Okay, we got another product review today. Got the Roedix air duster AD33. It's a nice little unit. Comes in a unit like that. Turn it on. Got 3 speeds on it. 1, 2, 3. Put on your air nozzle. You can blow stuff off. Works very well. Try this keyboard real quick. I'll probably have to get a close-up on that. Kind of dusty. You got the R7 usual manual. Kind of tells you all about it. This thing will be good on the boat. Air up your inflatables. Be good at the campsite. Act like this is an air mattress. This is your air duster. You turn it on. Air it up in no time. Look at that. Air it up in no time. Take the air back out. Put on these fittings. You got these other fittings that you can put on the back of it. Take your air mattress. Take this one off. There went my instructions. Now you go the other way. Maybe. Okay, I'm gonna have to turn it off first. Find where the air comes in at. Turn it off first and I'll find. I know what I'll do. I'll put that in there. Okay, now turn it back on. Anyway, you get the idea. It'll pull that thing down in no time. It's kind of hard with the if you just had a open area where you just stick that in there and it would deflate it in no time. Yeah, fill up your inflatables with that. Okay, another good thing, you could do a fireplace if you need just a little bit of. Like in the wintertime, you need a fireplace going, need just a little bit of air to keep it going. Stick it on there. A little bit of air to get your flames a going. Work out perfect. Barbecues. Work in the barbecue area. Getting your wood and your smoker going. Get your smoker going good, yeah. That'd be good in the barbecue. Yeah, this thing is cordless, rechargeable. Has USB-C port right here. Plug in right there. We're going to get a close-up here in a minute, and I'll give you a little bit more detailed on this unit right here. Pretty handy. It weighs about a pound, so you know it's built good. Got a little light on the front of it. I don't know if I showed you that. Light on the front of it. I mean, they thought of everything, I'll tell you. Got even a smaller unit to put on the front of it. I like this one right here. This is a little brush. I've already used this. You use that on your keyboard. We're going to demonstrate that here shortly. You get them keys and stuff in there, blows all that out of there. It works really good. This is the little laptop. It goes out here in the shop here. You see how dusty it is. It don't take long for it to get dusty out here. Okay, it did a pretty good job. All good to go. Be good for cleaning the car out too. Get your vents around your shifter and all that stuff. Be great for that. Yeah, with this unit you don't have to buy canned air anymore. Just use this. Okay, this is a Dell computer I'm working on this week. Just happened to be working on it this week. Talk about perfect timing. I generally blow these out with the compressed air from the compressor, but then you got to worry about getting little water droplets on it. So this right here don't have no water droplets on it. See the dust is flying out of it? I've already got the motherboard pulled out of it. That's what we just blowed off a while ago. I'm putting a new motherboard in it. So that was perfect timing on this. Got a motherboard coming in just a couple days. So this is one of my computers I use. See it blowing out the dust. Yeah, that'll work out great. Now I'll leave a link down in the description down below to Amazon. Pick you up one of them. Nice little unit. Works really good. Okay, I'm gonna give you a close-up on this. Right here's your battery indicator. Shows you how much battery you got left. Right here's your USB-C connector right there. On-off switch. This is where you faster and slower. Your light. Yep, that's a nice unit. A little brush. Now these are your units you put on the back when you want to deflate. Deflate your air mattress or anything like that. You can do it in half the time. Less than half the time. Nowadays they got them inflatable tents. This should definitely help on that also. I think it's around 30 minutes straight. I think what it says. But this is all your connections. Got a nice little bag, everything goes in. So I appreciate the guys for sending this out. Let's check it out. This is a paid promotional item, so I appreciate it. Like I said, get you one up down there on Amazon.